Sylwer was formed about 10 years ago to solve a problem in developing countries where they can't get refrigeration to remote areas. Sylwer works by using water's unique property. So water is heaviest at 4 degrees centigrade. And if you take a glass of water and you put ice in the top, what you get is water at 4 degrees centigrade underneath the ice. So we can use that 4 degrees centigrade to be a place where we can store safely vaccines and foods for very long periods of time. Sylwer is quite unique. It's a massive innovation. It's quite a disruptive technology in the market. So it's taken a fundamental idea and applied it into the market. And that has brought around massive change in the way that we think about refrigeration, particularly the way that we think about vaccine refrigeration. We've set completely new standards in terms of how the World Health Organization think about how vaccines can be stored. The difference that the Welsh Government has made to the business is to accelerate the development of the new technologies and devices. They understand the needs of the business and so can come in and really help us to identify what it is that we need support with and find that support. Short-chill technology is covered by 15 patents that have worldwide coverage. And throughout the years, Welsh Government have been there to help us, to advise us on how to form a strategy to create the protection that we need. Whilst we focused on healthcare in the initial stages of the business, the bigger opportunities are actually in the retail sector. So that's both in the developing countries and in the developed world. So Short-chill's future is in licensing technology to large-scale manufacturers. This is such a big idea that it requires large manufacturers with access to the market to become involved with the technology. Wales is an inspirational place for us to set up this business and to innovate. It gives us the space, it gives us the environment in which we can bring new ideas to the fore.